This is probably how YouTube monetization works. Once you get to your 3,000 watch hour, there are two sectors: 3,000 watch hours and 4,000 watch hours. So once you get to your 3,000 watch hours, you can now apply. So when you apply, they will bring out this review, this first review here. This first review. I'm going to be doing these videos in batch by batch. So now, after this first review, you go through the review, you read it carefully, and then after then, you now apply. So once you apply, next one, you have to come to this second one now and create a Google AdSense account. Then after then, you get reviewed. That's all. So I'm going to do this video batch by batch. So this is probably what happens once you click on this start. So they will show you, do you have an existing AdSense or AdSense for YouTube account? I've created several. I'm not aware if that is what they want. So I have to create a new one for this purpose with this email. So I can go ahead and click on yes. No. I need to create a new one. So click on next. So once I click on next, it will take me to Google, where I will have to create a Google AdSense account. So once you choose your preferred email, this will appear. Your channel, blah 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 stuff. You have to choose the email that is connected to your channel, your YouTube channel. So next thing, your billing country, territory. You choose your billing country. In my case, I will choose, I'm from Nigeria, so I'm going to choose Nigeria. Okay. So be sure to select the country or territory you reside in. You will add your complete address in later step. So they say AdSense for YouTube terms and condition. Welcome to AdSense. Thank you for interest in our search. You have to choose your address. Remember, sometimes where there are some kind of views, maybe 1 million view, all those ones, they will send you some kind of that their gift. Now this will send, so make sure you use your correct address, because it will really matter. Don't go and start faking things. So welcome to welcome to Google, to AdSense, blah blah, stuff like that. So I read, can take a time and read all these things. It's very important. Then the next thing, click on set up account. Customer information. I'll have to pause this area. So I think this area now is very important. You can see they are asking for account type, individual, Google AdSense for YouTube. So this is your YouTube account. So you have to put your YouTube current name, address, if you have to address, city, postal code, state, phone number. So I'll have to pause the video and put all this. I'll come back. So once you finish signing up, putting your personal details, your address, your phone number and everything, you have to click on submit. So I think my network has an issue, so I have to redo this process again. So if you currently check this place, it's being written in progress. So probably signing up for Google AdSense is in progress. So let's say your account is being created or associated. The approval and association process usually take several days, but in some cases it takes 2 to 3 weeks. So I already have a Google AdSense account, but it's not connected to this my YouTube. It's connected to some other, I think one of my website also. So I don't want some kind of a contradiction. I want YouTube should be YouTube, same email, same everything. So why the other one have to give me a different email? So once this process is being completed, that is when I'll be able to get reviewed, you know, the third process. So you have to wait. So as I said, this video will be on batches, by batches. So I'll be uploading by batches. So I will have to end this process video here. Once this process is being completed, I'll do the rest. This is for people that doesn't know what happens in the back end, how they get to apply for them to get monetized on YouTube. I've checked a lot of videos on YouTube. I've not really seen a detailed video like this. So I'm gonna do a video. I hope this doesn't go against the YouTube policy.